Hey guys, I forgot to... Oh, my hair. I forgot to film my intro, so this is it. Hi guys, this is Juliet from Juliet's channel, and I'll be filming my morning exercise routine. So, basically, I just had my exercise and I forgot to film the intro. So, have a stretching, and then after stretching, 15-minute treadmill, and then stretching for the post exercise or cardio exercise that I did. And I also film my morning routine when I wake up, what I do before I hit exercise. So hope you enjoy watching. I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning and I cook rice and boil water for eggs. While waiting for the water to boil, I do stretching. I heard the water boiling. Yes, it's time to put the eggs. Time to run! Let's check first. No, not my face. The eggs. Don't worry, I have it timed. It will just turn off when done. No makeup, forgive me guys. Let's start. Wiggle, wiggle. Bend, bend. And oops. And now. Let's have it fast. Mind you guys, it's boring. It's boring to look at me at the normal speed. Now I'm conscious. I think let's open the windows. It's about 5:15 and my hubby is already up. I greeted him good morning. My arms needs workout too, so I swing it up and down. Are you wondering why I keep on holding the treadmill? Here's why. Look. See? I cannot move the treadmill. My weight is not enough. Okay, I'll just hold. I'll bring you guys to the last 10 minutes. I'm already slowing down. Because my target is 15 minutes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 minutes. What's up? What's up? So this is me. Sweat all over. I'll just stretch. Oh, the camera is here. The lens, I mean. So this is always when I have my 15-minute workout in the morning. It's a cardio workout, so I'll be stretching for my post morning exercise, and that would be it. Oops. So guys, that's basically my morning exercise routine since I have this treadmill with me. Since I have this, I'm doing it every day. So I'm doing this morning, and then if I have time in the evening, another 15 minutes. So I'll complete my 30 minutes cardio workout every day. So that's it guys. I hope I inspired you to exercise every day, because exercising is good to your health. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye. Oops. Don't forget to like this video, to share if you want, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. So enjoy your healthy life. Bye.